My name is Chef Andy. I'm corporate chef by Convotherm at Wellboat. And today, it's more important than ever to have the right equipment in your kitchen. With our new Convotherm Max, it's your chance to own your first own Convotherm. The Convotherm Max is a new concept with all the legendary features and product quality people are used to from Convotherm, just to an affordable price. Of course, the Convotherm Max got all the cooking methods you need, like steam, combi steam, and also convection air. The Convotherm Max is for everybody. So most people think when we talk about steaming just of vegetables, but the Max can do much more. We can use steam mode for proofing, we can use it for sous vide cooking, for poaching, and then of course for the classic steaming of vegetables. Plus we have a feature, quick steam, that is overheated steam for baked potatoes, even for products like a pork shoulder, where you wouldn't expect to do this in steam. You can do this thanks to our Convotherm climate management to a perfect pulled pork. The results are just amazing. You touch it with your hands and all the meat is just falling apart. It's so soft and juicy, and it's just the best pulled pork you can use for a burger. Now we are coming to combi steam, the most important cooking method at all. That's the reason why people buy actually a combi steamer. In our Convotherm Max, we have with our auto humidity always the perfect steam saturation. This allows you to actually do baking, roasting, gratinating at the same time, and each product gets the perfect amount of steam that it needs. With our Convotherm Production Manager, you are able to set each individual timers for each product. The tray timer always reminds me when it's time to take one of my products out of the cavity. And now look to this browning of the toasties. Perfect browning, absolutely crunchy. Also our bread rolls coming out just perfect. You can see here now what is actually possible to do in combi steam. So this speeds up your cooking process in your daily business massively. It saves time and it saves money. Like you see, everything is just perfect, and it can be so easy also for you thanks to our Convotherm climate management. Let's go to convection air. Simple, dry, hot air. It's perfect for roasting, grilling, frying, baking. Baking is so simple and easy in our Convotherm Max. With our airflow management, we have the perfect evenness from top, center to bottom. And the croissants are just getting even better, because also in the Max we have Bake Pro. We can also doing roasting, grilling and frying, and therefore we want to use now our feature Press&Go. Press&Go allows me to use my own created profiles. It's only icon driven. That means for me, whoever is actually operating the Convotherm Max, I will always achieve a consistent product quality. The results, with the right trays, you will not see any difference compared to normal cooking methods. The grill marks will be on the steaks, the fries or the veggies brown and crispy, and our breaded schnitzel are brown and crispy all around. Convection mode in the Max with the right trays gives you no limitation at all. And when I'm talking about high quantity, in the Convotherm Max we go even higher. Here we talk about 11 shelves of raw marinated chicken. And that means 22 kilos of crispy, perfectly made chicken in maximum 30 minutes. That's pure money for me. The crispiness we achieve with our feature Crisp and Tasty. And And the evenness we are getting with our airflow management just perfectly. There is no difference from top, center and bottom. And because of that, our chicken is absolutely crunchy outside and juicy inside. Of course, after a hard, busy day, the Convotherm Maxx is not looking clean anymore. It's dark. We need to clean it. The beauty here is that the Convotherm Maxx is equipped with a fully automatic cleaning system. Here I'm not getting in contact with any chemicals. I don't need tablets. I don't need any protecting gear. The only thing that I have to do is I choose the right cleaning level that fits to my need, and the Convotherm Maxx starts the fully automatic cleaning by itself. And because it's a recirculating cleaning system, it's also environment friendly. That means it consumes the minimum amount of water and chemicals. The Convotherm Maxx is not too much, not too little, it's just right.